I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy about this. I'm so happy my achievement. Yeah.
I know we miss your old self too. Suffer once cooking. There's only so much holding on.
Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome back again to the channel. It's still your favorite person, Cyndy CJAY. See guys, let me just start by saying thank you to you guys for the love, for the support you guys have been showing me recently in my videos. Thank you so much guys. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to this channel. What are you waiting for? Subscribe and be a part of this family, and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. I just remember something that made me laugh, but that's by the way. So guys, I have an unboxing, couple of things to unbox. So all these things are PR packages to be unboxed, but it's just one I want to do in this video. So which one? So this is one I want to do in this video. This is actually a camera. In my other video I did unboxing, I showed you guys two camera here, and in the write-up I told you guys that more is still coming, more are still coming. Like, so this one is another camera, and I just had to show you guys so that if you guys are interested, you can hit me up and I will tell you how to go about getting it. Okay. Alright guys, let me just open it briefly. Let me open it quickly. I don't want this unboxing to be long. So it got delivered up to 3 or 4 days now, but I've been busy. I've been in work, like I've never had time. So but today I'm at home today. I said all the unboxing, all the PR packages, I will just film everything. Once I finish this one, I'll change, wear another clothes, film another one. Until I'm done. Yeah, they're all different products. This one actually is a car phone holder. I will show you guys in a different video. Maybe I'll film the car phone holder one in my car. This one will be small camera. This one is not a small camera. Me that is saying that I will be practicing with the other one. Hey, it's even very heavy. Yeah. This one is 5K Ultra HD. If you guys remember, the other one was 4K digital video camera. Yeah, this one is very heavy. Hey, I don't get cameras. So this is what it's looking like. Digital camcorder quick guide. So this is like a manual guide. Hey, this one is too heavy. I think this one is a lens cover. Yeah, it should be a lens cover. I'll just want to show you guys briefly. I will do a proper, I'll take my time and study it before I'll be able to use it, because hey. So this one came with a remote. Let me keep this one here. So it came with a remote. A USB, this is 3C USB cord, type C, not 3C, type C. This is like a base to charge the batteries, a battery base. That's one. So you guys, that's a microphone. Hey, let me say that this one I'm gonna use now. Hey, see, so it has a microphone. What is this one? So it's like a stick, like a selfie stick, maybe a stand, a holder, something like that. Yeah, I think it's a holder or something. I'll figure it out. This is how it's looking. And you guys, I think that's okay. Then batteries, 2 batteries. And then this is the camera itself. It has a camera bag. That's nice. So this is the camera. You guys see? And it's looking different too. Oh, and it also have a flip screen. and this should be the, okay, this is like a handle. I think you hold it like this, and then this should be the lens. I think it should be, yeah, that's the lens. You open, you hold like this, and you start vlogging, right? No, this way. Yeah, that's the way you hold. It's not here, guys. And then the microphone can be attached on top here, I guess. Yes, the microphone will go up here. And yo, this is the camera lens cover. So guys, this is what the camera is looking like when I set it up and figure it out. Maybe I'll still show you guys for now. But now I have a camera. I have like 3 cameras now. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. So that's the camera thing. I'll take my time, go through the manual, read it, and know how to use it. And yeah, that's all. So this one is more, the quality of this one is gang than the other 2. I don't even know what will I do with all these cameras. Oh, I don't know. These people are making me want to change my mind from buying the iPhone 16 Pro Max I want to buy, because that was what I wanted to buy before these people now reached out to me giving me all these cameras. But let's see, I might still buy my iPhone 16 Pro Max. I might still buy it. Let's see. I think I have another unboxing because I just got back from shopping. I went to buy a few things, and yeah, I'll show you guys in the kitchen. Let's go to the kitchen. So guys, I just finished doing the camera unboxing, and I'm here in the kitchen. Like I told you guys, I just got back from store to buy a couple of things, and let me show you guys. Let me know. Yeah, so nothing much in here, nothing much. So yeah, I got this bowl, this container, whatever, this storage container. This is like 10 pack. So 10 pack here. I got this, what's it called, hot drink cups. This is also a food container, and this is 3 pack. Another food container, and this is 6 packs. And this is like scooping spoon, right? Like a ladle, I think it's called a ladle. I got my lash glue. My glue, I've been using that glue a long time. It just finished, and I got this one in super drug, yeah, super drug store. That's where I got it. I got hair bows, yeah, for the girls. They are always damaging it before you know it. Mommy, it has broken. Mommy this, mommy that. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you guys one. Yeah, so that's it. Yeah, got different colors. I got air fryer liner. I have the temporary one. Is it called the? I have the paper one, the one that you can use once and you discard. But this one is a reusable one. So reusable air. Look, I got coffee mate for my coffee. I've been taking coffee lately, but not so much. Like once in a while, I take coffee, and yeah, I like adding this coffee mate to it. Biscuit and yeah. So what really took me to go this shopping is the containers here. I normally store my containers in a yogurt container. I'll show you guys. So this is a container I normally store my food. If I finish cooking maybe soup, rice, stew, anything, I normally store most of the time, most of them in this container. And because why? And I have this container a lot, like so many of this container. I have so much of this container, like I can't even count. Some of them now are breaking because sometimes when we bring out the food from the freezer, we might be in a hurry to eat. I'll start chopping it with knife to cut out some. That's how some of them broke by the side. Some of them, the colors, food stains, the colors are not nice again. So I discarded a whole lot. I discarded a whole lot of it. I had about, I can't even count, loads of it. I've discarded a lot. I just realized I don't have much again in my cupboard. And this particular Greek yogurt, this particular big bowl, we are normally buy it. I buy it in Aldi, I think, most of the time in Aldi. And the Aldi used to be very close to the house, but they've moved. They've moved the Aldi to somewhere else. Still close to the house, but it's no longer walkable. Before it used to be a walkable journey, like you just walk down, grab yogurt here. But now it's kind of a bit far. You can still walk it, but it still is like further here. So I won't really be having access to this yogurt except when I plan on going shopping this day. I'll now go and buy it. So I won't be having this container that much. That aside, I also have another kind of yogurt, the one that comes in a small cup. I've shown it in one of my vlogs, Okios yogurt or so, in a very small container. I like that one as well. So I won't be having more of this pack again, this food container, like I use it for again. So that's why I said, let me restock, let me buy food containers. I got this one. The thing with this one is it's kind of, let me even open it. This one looks kind of hard, but most ones I've gotten are soft. So I will really draw myself in the air, like tell myself, Cindy, stop poking with knife, stop poking the food with knife, don't do that, don't do that. I really need to tell myself that, because that's how I've damaged most of these other ones. But yeah, most of my food now will be stored in this container, and some of the yogurt containers as well, the ones that are still okay. Yeah, so this is it. Yeah, so the thing with this particular one is kind of soft, although this one is not as soft, this one is strong a bit. But if it spoil, I discard and buy a new one. This one too is okay. I like the size, not too big, but this one is really strong. But it's okay. And yeah, this one is the strongest. See, very strong. Cover. I think I have about 19 or 20 food storage containers now with the other ones I have and with other ones. Aside this yogurt one, I still have, let me show you this. I still have this type. This one is very strong. Yeah, I think I've sorted the food container matter for now. So that's basically all I got in the store, the eyelashes, and then I think I got bra as well. So all of you that are wearing black bra for a long time that have not changed it, this bra should remind you, it's high time you changed your bra. I have a lot of black bras, but black, nude, and some other colors here, but more of black. I have like, I can't even count, I have a lot. But I realized that, yeah, I told you guys that I feel I added weight, so some of them is like getting tight, kind of, although I still adjust it to the last one, but it's not giving me what I want to. I just let me buy one to start with. So that's basically it. I'm doing some washing now. Let me finish up with the washing, tidy up, and I don't know if I will continue this vlog. I should just end this one here because I don't have space in this phone I'm vlogging with, and I have some vlogs I'm currently editing. Yeah, so I think I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So this is British beef ox kidney. British beef ox kidney. That's the pack. Yeah. And this one is chicken gizzard for $3.49. So let's make it. This one are alphabet chips. Which letter is this?
A.
Which letter is this?
R.
R. Now so you go. Bird eye, the original alphabet British potatoes. Yeah.
Line of fish.
So
Biscuits.
This one is potato chips.
Potato chips.
This one is fish fingers.
Oh, yummy.
It's ready.
I'm gonna have it these days. Carrie has some.
Carry your food, me, stove, it's ready. You want stove? You're welcome. Yummy. So yummy. Do you enjoy it? Hey girl.
Hi, mommy.
Ta-da! So this came a couple of days ago. I think I showed you guys. I can't remember, but I think I did. I'm not sure. So this is I've already opened it. I'll not lie. But I said let me come and show you guys, because when it happened, you guys said me congratulations. So now that it has arrived, yeah. So ready. Ta-da! So this is Cardiff Metropolitan 2023-24 yearbook. So this is a yearbook from my school. After our convocation, I was even before. I think before the convocation, they sent a mail like if you want the yearbook. It comes in different formats. This one was is it called soft book? I think soft book. Soft cover. I can't remember. If I remember the name, I'll just put it. So there was an option for this soft cover. There was the hard cover. There was digital one. Different format. Like you can get it in digital. You can get it in this soft cover, hard cover. I think like 3 or 4 options like that. So I went for these. I can't remember how much I paid, but I paid. It was not free. So I went for this, and that was, I think it was in July or August. In fact, I can't remember. It's like long ago, and they just got it delivered a couple of days ago. Let me now show you guys myself, my picture. Where did I see myself again? Hey, I thought, oh dear. Let's start searching for this thing now. There's a lot of face. Yeah. I just saw myself in Cindy. Can you guys see Cindy? So it said, there's a little quote here, and I read, do what the clock does, keep moving, learn, relearn, unlearn, and be a better version of yourself. Education, degree level, Masters of Science, MSc, degree program, Applied Public Health, my country, Nigeria, then from 2022 to 2024. So wait, it's many small. So about me, I said about me, they said best moment during my uni when I checked my results and I did well as expected. Then my future plan to achieve all the goals I set for myself, and then thank you message, thank you to my darling husband, friends, and family that supported me. So yeah, can you see my face? So we graduated. When somebody will come and say she did not go to school, she did not graduate, you guys should not mind me. I'm not shading anything. I'm not shading anybody. Yeah, so I'm so happy about this. Like when I saw the amount to pay, how much to get it delivered and everything, I was contemplating, should I pay for this or should I just do the digital one? But I'm happy I got this soft copy one, the book one, so that when my kids grow up, I'll be like, yo, see? Your mommy went to school. Your mommy went to school. Your mommy did her master's. I'll just show them when they grew up. Yeah, so I'm so happy I got this. I'm so happy about this. I'm so happy my achievement. Yeah.